of the beauties of ActivInspire is the ability to associate actions with objects, adding an extra level of interactivity and engagement to your flipcharts. To view the dozens of actions available and to apply actions, select an object from your flipchart and go to your action browser. If your browsers are not visible, simply go to View, then Browsers. You can search through all actions or use the drop-down to view 5 different categories. Once an object is selected, you may choose which action you wish to apply. Note that you can apply the same action to multiple selected objects. In this case, maybe we'd like to apply the dice roller tool to this image of dice. This will help us generate numbers randomly for students to work with. Be sure to click Apply Changes. In presentation mode, actions are denoted by a small play icon. You may test actions as soon as you apply them. In design mode, actions are denoted by a red outline. This is handy if you are not sure which actions a flipchart contains. Selecting the outlined object indicates which action has been applied in the action browser. To remove an action, go to Design mode, select the object, and click Remove Existing from the action browser. You may switch back into presentation mode to verify the action has been removed.